Hi guys, welcome back to iGym with Cindy. Today's video is going to be a little different. We're doing an unboxing. I'm so excited. I got two items that I have been putting money aside for in my account, and one of them I was able to pay off, and then the other one I did it using Klarna. I've been really wanting a agenda. I've been really into journaling, and I know that I'm going to get the most out of my money. I tried to get this pre-loved. It was more expensive than getting it you know, out of the store. So I do have a sales associate at Louis Vuitton. She's helped me with previous purchases before, and she is amazing. So I was able to just call her and tell her that if she was able to get this item, and they do still have them. So if you want them, and you do have a sales associate, I would really recommend you calling them and, you know, seeing if they could get it for you. So today's unboxing is going to be for the agenda, the desk agenda, and small ring agenda. So those are the two purchases that I made. The small ring agenda, I'm going to use it as a wallet. So I think I'm going to make a separate video just talking about the items more, and just when I set them up, and when I set both of them up to start using. So without any more further ado, this is the unboxing. So guys, I'm very like, words can't describe how excited I am. I did budget for this with my husband's approval. I'm very excited that I'm able to do this. Oh my goodness, yay! Oh my god, how exciting! So when you open it, my last Louis Vuitton purchase in 2016 did not have any of this, and it was in the brown box, but it didn't have like the little ribbon. What is this? This is the receipt. Thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. And then it has, I'm assuming, the receipt. The item number is R20100. If you guys can see that. And it doesn't come with the price. I guess I got it as a gift. Okay. Put that aside here. And I'm so excited, guys. So the ribbon is not what I thought it would be. It's like a matte ribbon almost. It's not like one of those shimmery ribbons, so I'm definitely gonna use this for something. And then I got this. It's just like a blank card. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. I wonder if you guys can see that. Made in France. This is my first France. The wallet that I got years ago, it is from Spain, I think it is. How beautiful. Amazing. And you know, just off the bat, the stitching is just perfect. So soft. I'm so excited to use this, guys. So excited. Okay, so that is the unboxing for my desk agenda. I did want to use, and I have it here for reference, I did want to use the Happy Planner rings. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna end up using. Obviously not this Happy Planner, right, but just the rings. And then I bought these. I've been looking at a lot of planning setup videos because I think I do want to just purchase inserts and do the planning myself. The setup, yeah, I think these are going to be too big. This is 1.5 and I got these on Amazon. So I think the 1-inch disc would be fine. So yeah, guys, I'm very excited to start using this. So you guys are gonna see this in my videos. I'm so excited. So excited, guys. I'm so happy. So this is my unboxing for my desk agenda. I do have another unboxing. So yeah, guys, this is my desk agenda. And I'm gonna put this back. I want to take it out when I'm gonna set it up, which I'm probably gonna make a video on how I set this up. But I'm so happy, guys. Super happy. Let's move on to my next purchase, and this is oh my goodness, this came with the bag. Look. So the bag wasn't available as an option for the desk agenda because I did ask my essay. So this is the bag. Wow. I'm definitely gonna keep this somewhere where my kids can't get into it. So again, the receipt, I think this one should have the price on it because nope. And the item number is R20005. Okay. And it comes with like a return tracking label and all that jazz. Wow. Again, it came lovely wrapped. And this is, oh, what is that? Do you guys see that? It's like scuffed. Oh. Do you guys see that right there? That just killed my mood right now. Okay. You know, you want it perfect, right? Because it's not cheap. And when you want to resell it, the people that you buy it, and when you want to resell it, you know, it's not going to be easy to get the price you want if it's scuffed everywhere. So again, the stitching is really nice. I'm just irritated about that right there. That's the one thing that I don't like. Okay. So yeah, the only thing that I'm seeing here is that the rings are very small. And I did look at videos about this. And I did see videos about this and ways to like take it off, which I don't know if I'm ready to do that on a $400 agenda, you know? But I think I'm gonna have to because that's not gonna fit much. Well, I'll let you guys know what I do with that. But yeah, this is the one thing that's just irritating me right now. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the small ring agenda, and it is made in France, and I'm very happy about that also. Can you guys see that? It's made. Can you guys see that? It's made in France. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'm very excited, and I will do, for sure, I'm going to do comparison videos, and you guys can look out for that, because just off the bat, I can tell you that the difference is completely 100% noticeable. So this is just, I'm very excited that you guys were able to unbox this with me and share this experience with me also. So yeah, guys, thanks for joining me on this unboxing. I will talk to you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.